Okay guys, so we said we were going to do a latch system for this, and I'm tired of using this tool to get the floor out.
It's really in there.
Yeah, it's really in there. So we have this, and I'll leave a link down below for this hatch, or latch, but it's stainless steel, and it's from some weird name. I can't pronounce that, so I'm not going to try.
We're not trying to put brand name on the boat.
No, we just go for, we really strive to stay budget friendly.
But not put stuff on here like what we just took out of it.
Well,
which was a bunch of rustic stuff. It should never have been on a boat.
That's why it's stainless steel. But I've already flipped this around, and it does come with screws as well. They're in here. But so it's got a back plate, and you just screw it up to it, and you have a latch. We're going to stick it in right here. And the great thing is, the whole bit I did for the hot water heater install. See link for that video too. That seems to be, people really like tankless hot water heaters. So
you like it?
Yeah, we love it. Instant hot water, endless showers. So not preparing this for our future and where we want to go, but
no.
So whole bit have this drill that have 2 bars of battery left. Should be enough. And Milwaukee, I use this for everything. I got resin all over this too. And let's get it in. So y'all stay tuned. We'll get into this. So you see when you throw this sucker in here, it's not coming. You can't get your fingers down here to get it out, just barely. So what the latch will do is it will help hold this down, so it won't blow out going down the road, and I can get it out because it is a nice handle. So what we're going to do here is we're going to drill it. And nervous about drilling because it's got a lot of fiberglass on here. I'm going to do it on slow-mo. That should do it. It's walking. No, it's not. My wife said the battery would die. I said, no, it'll make it. New battery. There we go. Have a hole. Okay, let's see if that works. Take this out. And, oh yeah. That pulled up nicely. Just like that. So, easy install. Let's get the other side in. Let's get this system done. Okay, so got the latch in. Now we needed some system to catch on this other side to hold it in, so it didn't, latch on one side, nothing on the other. Not much, doesn't help much. So made this made it, angled it in, sanded it down, and it's going to go right here. So what we're going to do is mix up some resin. We're going to paint this, and then we're going to go and we're going to put some peanut butter on the back here to fill in these holes. Because this is marine plywood, but I still don't want the holes. So I'm just going to resin this whole piece. I'm not putting any glass over it. So this is it. I'm using the Total Boat resin. I'm almost out of hardener. And I should probably put on my gloves. Hold on, a sip of vodka before we get the other one on. Ah, fuel. Fingers going in the wrong hole. There we go.
Got some of
Finger going in the wrong hole, that's what she said, huh?
No.
And the cool thing about marine plywood is it really turns green when you start resining it. That's how you can tell it's marine. You don't want to crack it. You want it to be secure. Let that resin harden on it. Now this just has to keep it from coming up. There's not going to be any weight on this or anything. That's why I'm only going with 2 screws here. Okay, now let's make up some peanut butter. Some silica thickener. Fluffy.
Looks like snow.
Yes. Snow. There we go. I think that should be enough. This will fill in any of the holes in the plywood. I have some holes over here on this side that I'm going to fill up too on this ski locker latch. Let me stir it. And this, you know, thickened resin or peanut butter or whatever you want to call it. You can put this down with a paintbrush, or you can actually use a, what's that thing called? Little tool that, spatula. Thank you, sweetie. Resin is amazing. I love resin. Like I said, it's a love-hate relationship. But there's what it looks like. Just all pasty. I'm going to take and fill in the cracks here. Kind of makes it, it looks like a paste. You remember in grade school with a paste with a stick? That's what it looks like. Okay guys, so ski locker's in, it's done, and this little knobby thing here locks it. You can't pull it out, and then you unlock it and it comes up. I may have to cut this down. We built this right here and really like it. It's I resined it on, and then I put 2 screws in it, and I put some fill in there, but made some nice curves on it, things like that. So it's really shapely, and the latch holds really well. And then you just, I'm gonna have to do some sanding because I put some extra fiberglass on here, but it really holds in well. And now we just have to paint the floor. Good to go. The floor is done. The ski locker is done. It's all done. Or is it?
Yes. I'm saying it's done. Okay, we need to move on to the next thing. So
Painting. Painting
Right.
it be. So I've got a little sanding to do. I did some peanut butter in here, and it's kind of rough. It's rough on the feet. So, and it's a little hard to get in there. May have to trim, like I said, the back of this, but this is good. This worked out really well. And, you know, for all y'all who suggested in the last video, thank you. But,
well, we just went a different way. You know, there's all kinds of good ideas out there, and people are going to do them differently. And we decided to do it this way because we're trying to be a little bit more cost effective. So.
Yeah, this was a very cheap method.
Right.
I just used 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood. I did pick up this, which was $22, and so this worked out really well. And it's very adjustable for different depths, whether you have a 3/4 inch or 1/4 inch floor, or if you have a 3-inch floor, you could adjust it out. It's really good. So we got this in. This looks good. Now, after I get the sanding done, painting. It's going to be pretty. She's going to make it all what color?
Well, it's white.
White.
Well, no, it's not really white. It's kind of an off-white. So we didn't want it to be too blinding in here and attract all of the heat and whatever else. And dirt. Oh, dirt.
Dirt.
Don't want
White
to see
is
all the
reflective,
dirt.
so you get a good tan. Kind of a mirror
Right.
finish, and when the sun bounces off, you make sure to tan your underside as well. Look really good. So, got that done. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be doing that, and also there's other videos on how to maintain your fridge or your lawn or just whatever Chris is doing at that time. Chris and Danielle. Chris
Yeah.
does what Danielle says.
No, Chris does what turned into homemade chef.
Yeah. See link above. See trademark above.
Not really, but kind of.
So
You'll
we-
see the story.
We do have a trademark, and it is trademarked to
Actually,
our.
yes. Okay, yes, it's a trademark right now. It's about to be registered.
A registered trademark soon.
What we're doing with this, yes, you will see.
Yes, that's to come. So we did go through the lawyer stuff and things like that. We'll write a story.
What's it been, a year?
It's been a year.
It's been a year since we've been on this adventure of progressing in this, so got a lot of plans here. Hope you guys follow us.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Been an interesting journey. You know, the blog and things like that. Learning a lot, and just a lot of fun. Also, check out the blog with great recipes released every week. She
Lots
does
of stuff coming there too.
lots of yumminess, and we are still testing out swag.
Got some in the mail coming.
Got some in the mail. This didn't
Think
make
you
the
guys might
cut.
like it.
You may like it. I'm gonna like it because I like these cool shirts. So these thin, cool polyester shirts,
Right.
they keep you cool. Because the other day I was wearing cotton. Oh my gosh, I was about ready to die.
Sweated a
I was about ready to die. It was hot. So polyester is the way to go, and also got some other stuff coming that's going to be directly under Homemade Chef and only under Homemade Chef. It's going to be branded with the trademark and things like that. So it'll only be available here.
But if you want to see the story, just binge watch us.
Yeah, it's a long story, and some of the videos are you
Start from a year ago.
year ago.
Year and a half ago.
Yeah, some of the start from Jamaica.
Oh yeah,
That was
that's a good. Yeah,
that was our 20th anniversary.
that was 2 years ago. Okay, start from 2 years ago.
Yeah, that was 20-year anniversary. That's when this channel started really growing the subscribers and the views. We're seeing 100,000 views a month. Thank you for watching, and it's really awesome. Thank you guys. And if you like this channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like this. Also, check out our blog. It's at Chris Does What or diningwithdanielle.com. Both .coms.
Right.
Or you can get there from homemadechef.com.
Yes.
It all goes to the same spot.
I know, confusing stories.
A lot of domains all go to the same spot.
Right.
And y'all please take care.
Bye.